Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Audi A6. From any screen, you've got nav, telephone, radio and media. We'll click nav. That's actually come up straight on the screen, but if not, if it comes up on map for any reason, like so, you see you've got destination and settings in the corners there. So destination's that one, settings that one. There's a red light in destinations anyway, so meaning there's not one set. It's come up on start route guidance. It was already set to our destination anyway, but highlight town and postcode, onto town and postcode, click the center. Your rotary control is now activated to the alphabet. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR. Now we need numbers. That's on letters at the moment. You'll see there 0 to 9 there in the bottom right hand corner, which is this button. So we'll click 0 to 9. We then want 5, 4. It's gone back to the alphabet and it's actually on E, which is a good thing because that's what we want. So we're PR5 4EA. You got street, centre, destination on map. Centre's going to do for me at the moment just for this, and it's gone to start route guidance. If you need anything else, just highlight it.
The route is being calculated.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.